Stay focused. Don't listen to nobody. Don't listen to nobody, homie. What's on your mind, just do it. Because what's destined for you, you gonna get it.
Fine. I'll do it myself.
How y'all doing?
Oh,
Thank you. Oh, you pretty as hell.
I'm nervous, Max. I'll admit it. I'm nervous, okay? I'll admit it. I'm nervous. All right?
For a little shot. No.
Y'all getting drunk. What's that?
He fine.
You can't keep getting away with it.
Let me put your eyes on the camera. She said you fine.
I know, I heard her. I appreciate you. Thank you.
You can't keep getting away with it.
Now take a shot for me.
Take a shot. No, he's wild over here. Now when you take a shot, because he said take a shot. I'm not getting nervous. You gotta take a shot. No shake. Yeah. Okay, so you gonna take one with me?
A water shot, yes.
Okay, cheers.
Okay, cheers. No chasing. Now look at me in my eyes. Ooh, okay. Oh, you.
Right.
I can't drink with you.
You can't.
This is the type of shit I would say when I'm drinking, it just might leave. You know what I'm saying?
What do you mean by that?
I just want to say, add me as a friend.
How old are you?
I'm 21.
Blanca or Reposado?
Resposado.
Resposado? So you want to be put to rest?
I want to be put to rest, but you're not gonna do that.
Be real, fuck nigga.
I like to drink mine straight, no chaser, because I don't chase shit.
So you drink Hennessy?
Yes, I do.
You got me.
Hennessy. Hey, you trying to drink Hennessy?
Hennessy or Casamigos for the free cones. What's up?
I like you. Bring your ass to me ASAP. How you when y'all gonna be here, Memorial Weekend?
Yeah, you know what that is? That's
Put your Instagram.
I'm gonna type my Instagram.
Alright, say no more.
Okay, I sent it.
I got you. I'm about to add you.
Chill out.
Black queens forever, snow bunnies never.
What's up?
What's up?
How you doing?
I'm good.
You okay?
What about you?
I'm doing it.
Oh, I like your dimple.
Damn.
Oh, you got one.
I only got one.
I only got one. But mine
Really?
mine just big as.
Mine's not that deep.
Mine just
Like
deep.
if I smile real hard, you can see it, but
Yeah, mine too deep. I don't like that. How old are you?
I'm 20. You're really cute. I love your eyes. Like they just glowing right now. I can't even focus. Like I'm not gonna lie.
I appreciate you. Where you from? I might need to have to take a vacation or something. Texas? What part?
Fort Worth.
Fort Worth. Oh, so Dallas. If I come to Dallas, can you meet me out there? No,
Yeah.
I'm not selling for a no.
I'm not giving up no coochie on the first date or nothing.
What did you say, nigga?
I don't like you look like a fuck boy and I don't like that. But you cute, but you just look like a fuck boy.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
I don't like that though.
What you mean you don't like that?
How do I look like a fuck boy? Honestly, I'm celibate right now. Been celibate for like 7 months. My longest 2023 I ain't getting no pussy. Celibate. But by choice though. By choice. But now I'm doing it again. I ain't finna be trying to get no coochie, cause guess what? I'm cool on it, you know? You can just go out to eat, but definitely meet me though.
Okay, so if you gonna take me out to eat and what else? Let's link. What would we do?
I mean, you know, I'm an action type of man. You know, I don't really like to say. I like to just do. I'm spontaneous as hell. What would you want to do?
I don't know. I'm not really an outside girl.
Cap.
So I really
So
don't.
you would want to be inside. Are you good at temptation?
What do you mean by that?
Like after the third link up, you know, we vibe and we chilling. Are you good at temptation?
I can't sit here and say that I'm good at it, but I'll try to restrain myself as long as I can because I am a woman of Christ.
I don't fuck with none of y'all niggas.
Amen.
I don't give no fuck how you feel.
Amen.
Bitch.
I would want a man to fall in love with me, not my body. You feel what I'm saying?
Shut the fuck up.
True. But you ain't finna sit here and tell me you ain't never had a one night stand.
I have, but I have.
I knew it was fake. I knew it. I knew it.
I wouldn't play in your face. I just let you want me more than I want you to that point, cause that's what it'll get to. Cause you know I'm a touchy guy. Quality time. You know, you might rip off my clothes and shit like that. Third.
I probably will with that face. With that face, yeah.
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm fucking him.
I'm not gonna lie. I am a freak. I'm a pretty freaky girl, so it's like I'll try to restrain myself as long as I can because I am a woman of Christ.
It was all a lie. Guys, it was all a lie. She lied.
I don't know. Like once I get to the max, like I can't control it no more.
You's a freaky ass nigga.
You know, I might have to sign up for you. And if you keep looking at me like that, you know, I'm good at temptation, but damn, is temptation hard. You feel me?
I'm just looking at you the same way you looking at me. You look good. I look good. We look good together.
You dirty bitch. Damn! Hey, shit like that get me excited, man. Can't lie, man.
You keep looking at me the way that is, I might have to plan this little Texas trip pretty soon.
Shit, come down here.
Okay.
What's your what was I finna say? You just made me lose thought of what I was finna say.
Okay. Well, definitely drop your number.
Okay, bitch. Oh my god, you got me smiling too much, bro. I can't do this right now.
I be having to close my eyes when I'm standing on business with them pretty girls. I ain't gonna lie to you. Every time I'm talking to them, I gotta talk like this when I'm standing on business, girl. You gotta quit doing that, little mama.
Oh my gosh. I don't even know what to say. Like, you really got me like mute. I really like you.
I appreciate you. I like you and your face too.
I'm pretty sure you like more too.
What is that?
What you mean?
You pretty sure I like more? I mean, yeah, I like your lips. I like your dimple. I like your face, your skin. I love that forehead. Hope it's not full of lies though.
Let me see.
We locked in. I might have to come to Dallas this week. Well, not this weekend, but next weekend probably. Listen, I'm about to text you though. What's your name?
Elvanie.
Elvanie. You know my name?
Moon. Moon.
Yes.
Okay. I'm gonna call you Dimple.
Okay. I got you. I'm about to text you right now, so you have my number.
Okay.
God damn.
I like your eyes.
Thank you.
Of course. Where you from? Florida?
No, I'm from Iowa.
Oh, I ain't never been out there. How is it out there?
Me? Or this white rock right here? Be honest. Don't lie to me.
The rock. It serves a purpose.
It's boring.
How old are you?
I just turned 20.
I see you got a little. You like that's your type of style?
Yeah.
Oh, I see what you be into.
You a freak. That's what you are.
Those your real eyes though? Look at me again. Look at me. Don't look at me too long now. Calm down. Probably I need to take a trip. You ever heard of Clear? Oh, you see, you don't travel at all. That's how I know.
I do. I just don't be traveling like that.
Okay. This is what I'm finna do. All right. I'm finna come to Iowa, right? We gonna talk. You know what I'm saying? Cause I'm trying to.
Damn. Girl, did you? Oh.
You see that sucker you got in your hand? I'm trying to be that sucker. And You know, drop your what's called real quick. How tall are you?
I'm 5'6".
I'm just trying to, you know, I'm making a elite roster right now.
Sensational.
Nah, cause you look good. What's your player build like? Like, is it athletic? Is it thick?
I'm slim thick, but I'm also athletic. So.
You slim thick?
Yeah.
Like ass. like can I pump it?
Yeah.
Okay, listen, before we get out of here, you know what I'm saying, I send this contract to your DM, and you gonna have to sign. It's the contract of death. You feel me? I need to see like the player bill. Airbnb. Oh, I can work with. Yeah. Listen, you finna be my elite starting point guard.
Okay.
I prayed for this.
I cook, I rap, I play basketball, play instruments. I'm a music producer, so.
You suck at too?
Yeah.
I think I can win the championship with you. Look at me again. Now grab that sucker.
No.
Grab that sucker. Oh yeah, your position is on lock. You know what I'm saying? Yo, you got it I'm signing you to a 4-year contract. 4 years.
Okay.
We're gonna get you thick. We're gonna get you, you know what I'm saying? Skin is already good. But you locked in, okay? I'm finna hit you up on Instagram.
Okay.
All right, my hearty.
Bye.
Yo, I'm taking song requests. Give me a song. Holy fuck, you lifted your head and you find a shit. Okay, I need a song request. Holy fuck. What the hell?
Girl, how old are you?
Me, I'm 19.
What year you was born?
What year I was born?
Yeah.
2001.
2001.
Oh, you got nice eyes.
I love your eyes.
Thank you. I appreciate y'all. Y'all drinking a 4 Loko?
Yes.
On a Monday?
Yeah.
Y'all do look like the fun group. How do I join this group?
You already in. You're already in the
I'm
group,
in it, motherfucker. But why do I see a bunk bed though?
That's not a bunk bed. It's a loft bed.
Do I got to bring a 4 Loko or tequila? I got both.
Listen, bring whatever you bring both. Bring both, actually. Bring both.
Hey, on that tequila, I get crazy. You feel me?
Listen, yo. We're gonna be lit.
Y'all sister friends?
We're twins.
Nah, I can't get crazy with y'all in the same room. I'm sorry. Now, if y'all want to, y'all can. It's up to y'all.
I'm gay. Yeah, she don't go for niggas.
I know how to turn up. Man, I heard this story before.
Nah, I just like girls. I don't like none of y'all men.
Hey, chill out. Don't say
chill out. Chill. We could be cool though.
Yeah, we can be cool. I'm telling you, we bring that tequila, your ass gonna be straight.
If you can make a girl laugh and giggle, you can make that ass clap and jiggle. Indeed.
Really?
I'm all tatted up. You gonna be like, damn.
I'm tatted up too. I got my whole back tatted. She got her spine tat. And I got a tat right here. I got one too, but it's down here.
I want to see the back tack though. Like, appreciate that little twist.
Oh, I got all this extra.
Yeah, that's your real eyes.
You can't really. Who, mine?
Yeah, that's your real eyes.
Yeah, but look,
like
you can kind of see it.
Damn, just picture me just grabbing your.
You's a freaky ass nigga.
I'm already off tequila. My bad. Tequila in my mind, man. But nah, y'all do look good though. I'm not gonna lie. Pretty twins.
Thank you.
I need y'all. I ain't never had a set of twins before. You ain't gay though.
Who? I am. She is. Gay. She's straight lesbian.
Straight? You ain't getting no dick.
No. She had dick before. She wasn't always lesbian.
Oh, you just don't like the dick?
But I don't jack. She like the silicone. I like eating a girl out.
feel me? I like doing all that.
What about you? You ain't gay. You like?
I'm bisexual. I don't really give a fuck, honestly.
Man, y'all the perfect set of girls ever in life. What y'all doing like Cinco de Mayo?
We don't get lit on that day, but I mean, if you want to, we could.
We can. I'm always up for getting lit.
Hello, that's the one right there.
All right, listen, you ain't gay. We finna do some things. Y'all got like Snapchat, Instagram. What y'all got?
Baby, we got Instagram.
First met the bitch, they said it real sister. I don't give a fuck if they were real sisters.
I know that ain't who I think it is.
What's up, my heart? What's wrong with you?
No, you stress me out.
Why?
Because tell me why I'm getting DMs talking about stuff. You're on a YouTube channel again. I'm like, yo, chill.
No, you're not.
I found your YouTube. No, I have the video.
No, you don't.
No, I have it.
No, you don't.
I do.
Why was you on the YouTube video?
I wasn't. Someone sent it to me. It was you.
It wasn't me.
It was you.
No,
you
it
really
wasn't.
You want me to pull it out?
Yes.
Okay.
Wait, who sent it to you?
One of my homegirls. This not you?
You got me.
No, that's not me. My baby, that's not me. You look good today, by the way.
Thank you.
Of course, always.
Oh my god, yo. Go away. But you say that to everybody?
Yes.
I am coming to DC though, so you can see me.
When?
This summer.
Where?
Where you at?
Not puppy. Tears, but you're very fine. I just hope if I catch you, just know it's on sight. For sure. I'm fucking you on the street. Bring a tent.
Bring a tent?
Mm-hmm.
You's a freaky ass nigga!
Oh my god, please don't wait until I'm dead to vocalize I'm great. I was first to break the bank from in my last name. I got rich about a crib to build a window pane. Big enough and bright enough to outshine all my pain. Mama said my papa said I'm on the side.